This is the new brake pads. This is the new. This is the master cylinder of Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I will repair rear brake caliper. The reason is oil seals. I will change, and at the end of the video I will explain the place when I buy the oil seals. This is the rear brake pump. I remove the rear caliper. This is the rubber finger for rubber glovers. Now I will show you the parts. This is the master cylinder of Vespa GTS 300. Look at the oil seals, damaged. Piaggio don't sell the repair complete of these oil seals. I search in the net and find repair oil seals. This is the new. Look at this. And now I put the new. This is the piston. This is the piston. This is the old brake pads. This is the new brake pads. Now I will put the new seals, and now I remove old and put new. At first I will remove the old oil seals. Look at this. Look at this. This is the old oil seals. And now I show you new. This is the new oil seals. Now I need to clean here. I have a brake cleaner. Everything needs to be clean. Look at the rubber, old rubber. Now I need to remove this bolt for a brake. This is the 10 wrench. This is the bolt. Now I will clean from rust. With this metal brush I remove the rust and clean everything. I think to remove these parts, because when I put a wrench in the scooter, this is the problem. This is the problem, and I remove the all models. Vespa GTS don't have these parts. This is the part. Everything is okay. And now move fluently when it's in the bike brake caliper. With air I clean everything. Everything is clean. Oh no, this is silicone oil. Everything is okay. I will try. Okay. Now I put the big seal. The Vespa rear brake caliper have 2 pistons. Everything is okay. And the second. This is the new oil seals. Okay. This is the old brake pads. I will change. And now I will clean this. I will use this ABC rear brake pads, and I show you the function in the brake caliper. Look at the place in the brake caliper. This surface here and here and the rear, I need to put little grease in this grease. Anti-sound. This is the anti-sound. I put little grease in this surface here. Carefully. And now I will change the brake fluid. The brake fluid it's here with these 2 bolts. This cap I remove, and here. I buy new brake fluid, Moto, and now change the out. Now I unscrew these two bolts and remove the cap very carefully.
I will now push on the brake system and put in new brake fluid. Before that, I cover my Vespa under the places where brake fluid can leak to protect the paint. If brake fluid accidentally drip onto the paint, it must be cleaned immediately. I add brake fluid and the pump, being careful not to let the system get air.
Assembling, and now I assembling a brake caliper. With these pillars I will put here we will put the bolts. Here I have two bolts, they hold the rear brake caliper. Now I will put a brake houses. This is the prop, this is the bolt with these two washers. I use this wrench. This bottle I use with this method. And now in master cylinder with brake Moto .3 and 4. Very carefully. Now you will see how to make alone this procedure. With one hand here and second hand here. And pump. Hold second, hold, and tight. Dear friends, the procedure is too long, but I finish it, and I try the bike how to stop it, and I'll show you this. The brake, it's okay. This is the brake level, and I will try now. Dear friends, I think everything is okay. Rear brake working very hard, ABS working. Thanks for watching, and give me one powerful like and subscribe to my channel. I buy this repair kit from AliExpress. I will give the link in the description in the video. Bye bye.